Meet Jane and Oscar. Jane owns a 50-person toy company called Tailspin Toys, and Oscar here is their latest invention. To put Oscar in toy stores all over the world, Jane is constantly on the move. That's why Tailspin uses Microsoft Exchange for email, calendar, and contacts, so that Jane can stay connected and in sync. Whether Jane is using Outlook on her work PC, or accessing your email through a web browser using Outlook Web App, or on the go using her smartphone, all her info stays in sync. And even if a storm knocks out the power or pulls her network down, Exchange makes sure she doesn't miss an email or lose any of her data. Jane gets a lot of email, literally hundreds a day. Exchange helps her make sense of it all with features like Conversation View. All emails that are part of the same chain can be grouped together. This lets Jane spend less time organizing and more time getting things done. Jane also likes that she can just click on a name in an email to get that person's contact information, like their address, phone number, and even the next open slot on that person's calendar. Calendar sharing in Exchange takes the headaches out of scheduling. Jane can share her calendar with her coworkers, colleagues at other organizations, even friends and family, so they can see when she is or isn't available and make appointment requests. And with Exchange, Jane and Tailspin have their choice of implementation. They can run an Exchange server on-site or have Exchange hosted for them. Either way, their information is protected by industry-leading spam and virus filters. Get reliable performance with anywhere access to your email, calendar, and contacts with Microsoft Exchange.